Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to another episode of Connecting Katy. I am Manu Sharipov, a real estate agent with eXp Realty here in Katy. And today I'm here with Robyn Martin, the owner of Board and Brush Creative Studio. It's a DIY wood sign projects workshop in Katy. Thanks for joining me today, Robyn.
Thank you, Max. Thank you for having me.
Awesome. Tell us, Robyn, what made you decide to open this business and why do you do what you do here at Board and Brush Creative Studio?
Well, as a former educator and self-proclaiming craft lover, I just love this business. It's fun. We get to build confidence. It's a social crafting environment, and just kind of wanted to have my own thing as well. I wanted to have my own business, and so we decided to open up Board and Brush.
Perfect. Tell us, what were some of the factors that you choose this neighborhood in Katy?
Well, Cinco Ranch is very centrally located for Katy. It's very easy to access on 99 and 1093, so I feel like with the growing neighborhoods in Fulshire and in Richmond, and then just in Katy in general, I feel like it's kind of a good central hub for people to get to. Plus, we have La Centera that's not too far away, and that's a popular entertainment area as well.
Okay, great. What is something that people probably don't know about your business that you want to talk about?
Well, I think there's probably a couple things. One thing is that everyone gets to pick their own project, so not everyone makes the same thing. Which is kind of cool because it's great for date night where if there's two people in the same household, you're not doing the same exact project. You can take home two pieces with you. It's not just about the product that you take home, but it's about the experience. So it's really fun. It's you get to distress with hammers and meat tenderizers, sand, stain, paint. It's things that some people thought that they would never be able to do, and they leave with a beautiful, professional-looking piece and had a blast while doing it. So.
Okay, awesome. Tell us, what are some of the great challenges or needs you have as a business owner?
I think it's probably just getting the news out there that we're here. Small businesses typically have a very small marketing budget, and we can't have a commercial. Can't afford a commercial type of thing, so how do we get out in the community? And I think that's really what we've been focusing on since we've been open, is really trying to get involved in the community, let people know that we're here, that we're an option for their Friday or Saturday night, or really, sometimes any time of the week. So I think that's probably just getting the news out there since we're pretty new, letting people know that we're here.
All right. But why do you think it's important for people to shop local?
I think you're investing in your community when you're shopping local. My husband and I have been in Katy for over 10 years. Mm-hmm. We are part of the community. We've invested ourselves in the community, and whenever you shop local with the local businesses, you're giving back, you're investing so that then that business can hire people that are local. So that's supporting more jobs, and then we're able to give back to the community with donations and interacting with schools and having groups in, and so it really is it's a personal investment whenever you shop local.
All right. Well, thank you.
Here we have these wonderful art tables that people gather at to make their project that they picked out, and then they'll start with raw materials. And we use these tools to distress, and that just means adding extra character to your wood. We also have a wide variety of paints, over 90 colors. And here we have our paint bar over here. And then we also walk you through the staining process, and you get to pick your stain, and then we have different painting techniques. But the great thing is that it's all instructor-led, and we walk you through every step. And our staff here is very helpful in trying to figure out what's in your mind and how to make it happen on the wood.
All right. Well, thanks for giving us a quick tour of your studio.
Thanks for coming in, Max. Appreciate it.
Robyn, I really appreciate your time for sitting down and getting interviewed today. It was really great to learn more about your business. you guys be sure to visit Robyn here at Board and Brush Creative Studio. If you're looking for a fun and new DIY project without having to buy your own supplies and make a mess at your house.
Right.
And always
Bring
remember, always remember to support and shop local. Thanks for watching. Once again, I am Manu Sharipov, a real estate agent here in Katy. And if you're looking to buy or sell real estate, or just want to find out the current market value of your house, please let me know. And if you have a business and would like to be featured, reach out to me today. See you on the next episode.